Hi, it's me again with Corel Roll Tips and Tricks, and I thought I'd show you how you could get two different looks with the contour tool. These are both 100% identical. We're going to grab that one and put a boundary. We're going to grab this one and put a boundary. This one we're going to contour like we did before. We're going to go to Effects, Contour, Contour to the outside, 0.05. And we get that. This one, we're going to contour 0.2. Make a lot bigger contour. Now, you wouldn't want that, but here's the key. We're going to go up here and break this contour apart. Object, break contour apart, and then move this up in here. And now let's back minus front it. And now let's move our family up into that spot. And that's the way the originally one we did earlier last night and today. But on this one, we're going to take and break the contour apart. But then we're going to take our contour, nudge it down. Now we're going to contour to the inside, 0.15. Go up to Object, break contour apart. Grab that center contour, put it up into the welcome, grab it, back minus front, bring in our family, our friends and family. Let me put them on top of each other. So this one, the bottom one, I contoured twice. It's a kind of a different look. It's just preference. I mean, if you look, the C in that one is more open here. You know, it's first of all, it's kind of hard to explain, but it's a lot less obtrusive contour. It did not, you can see right here where it dipped down between the letters where this one didn't. And you can kind of see how this one let this little sliver of wood. Basically, it's not a sliver of wood because you're going to cut that out, so that wouldn't really matter. But it's just hasn't taken such drastic measure like it did here. So kind of think about that next time you contour, that you can contour out and then back in and get a totally different shape because it's not following those little bitty facets of the word. You can see right here, this one versus this one. Just personal preference. I kind of like this one. But anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.